Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for being a part of the Grateful Gang. If you guys see there's blinds and the sun is out, honey, and hope it doesn't bother you because I love the sunlight on my face when I can get it. And let's get right into this budget. We are going to be talking about our last paycheck of February 4th paycheck, how we're going to allocate that, and what we got to do. If you like the video and you want to subscribe, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. If you're subscribed and not getting my notifications, don't forget to check that notification bell. And if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Okay, so we're on the last paycheck of February right here. And we did get our check, and I've already opened it. If you saw the video from yesterday, we always go down to a zero at the end of, at least we usually go down to a zero at the end of each week, and the paycheck was $573.89. So y'all could see they didn't give me the bump for the last week. And then it don't even matter. If you know, you know. So $573.89 per use. We don't have any rollover. We're going to move $10 to giving. Okay, so I told I would explain this to you today. So what's happening is you guys know that I've been saving $10 every week. And at the end of quarter 3, my plan was to make kits for the homeless. And I still might do that, but I think I'm going to take $50 out of this and donate it to my best friend's MS walk that she's doing. So I'm going to take $50 out of there. And then when we get to the end of March, we'll make the kits with whatever money is left in there because I feel like I want to donate to that. All right. The Ulta credit card does have something on it right now, but it's not due right now. Cell phone. So what we'll do is we'll try and put a little bit in to cover it. I believe what I put on the Ulta card was like $58 and some change. Yeah, so on the Ulta card, I ended up putting $51.89. It was like a little bit more, and then I had a $10 off coupon that I was able to use in the store. So that worked out. I got my face moisturizer and a face wash. I think I still have $20 in my Beauty Be a Beast. And so if I can put another 20 or 30 in there before or 40 in there, then I should be able to pay that. No issue. We shall see. I'll cash flow it. It's going to get paid. But I do need to start saving a beauty envelope because I don't like using my credit card without actually having the funds there first. Like that's not a good look. The cell phone is, what are we paying up till right now? 3.3. Why does that not look like it? Oh, it does say 3.3. I don't know why. Okay, so we're paying up to 3.3. So the cell phone would be due. So we have to pay $75. Oh no, the cell phone's due on the 5th. So that's actually not due. And then Visa card's not due yet. Nothing really. That's not due. Oh, we don't really have anything that's 3.3 except for the giving and then our normal expenses. So we have the house emergency fund needs to get 25 and the cash envelopes this week. So we're going to pay $20 back to the credit card for gas, but it's on the Visa. That's weird. So I'm going to have to keep 20 off of there, and then I'm only going to take $80 out for cash envelopes. That's what I'm trying to say. We still have $389 for a zero-out challenge. Sinking funds should get 50, and then we'll figure out the house and the buffer last. So let's make this think because the sinking funds, we have to wait on them to come out. This, we have to wait till I go to the ATM and get that. And I'm going to go ahead and move all of these. So that's weird. I don't have anything due. Wow. Wow. Wait, car insurance. No? Yes? Car insurance. We're going to the 24th, girl. You got to have stuff due. 24th to the 3rd. So the HP Insta Ink will be coming out. I'm like, something ain't right. And there's nothing on the upgrade card. And the car insurance will be coming out. There you go. All right. Let me go ahead and first things first, I was going to pay the car insurance real quick, but let me go and move all this money. $10, $25, $3.89. So let's do some of my favorite things, which is transfer money. So I hit the transfer button. I choose the account I'm going from, then I transfer to where I'm going. The house emergency fund is getting a one-time charge of $25, and that is going to the HEF. I don't know why everything's not coming up automatically. House emergency fund, and then we transfer. Success. And then we have to transfer again to zero out challenge. Excuse me, one time, $3.89, I believe it is. Is that right, y'all? No, we transfer pretty much the same thing every time. It's so weird that this is not popping out up. Usually it does. One finger taken. Transfer. Success. And then transfer to hold your horses. We're going to transfer $10 for our giving. Oh, no, I don't know. Oh, I know why. I cleaned this computer. So nothing I saved before is coming up. Success. Because it's the work computer that I'm leaving. So, and I'm going to do it again. What did I forget, y'all? So I did the $10. HP ink is automatic, so this should also be pink. This I can pay myself, which is I'm working on right now. Making a payment. It's actually $127.83. I'm just gonna leave it right there for right now. Oh no, I got to change it so we can balance out. Thank you for your payment. It's actually $127.83. And that's paid. And we moved the $25, we moved the $3.89. These are automatic. This I need to go to the ATM. Cool. Cool. All right, so this should now probably reflect, hey, rude, that I paid my progressive. There's my progressive, $127.83. Cool. So everything that we paid is gone, and we should have $407.17 left. Really? That ain't right. Yes. So we have $407.17 there left, but we have $273.17 left to move for the house, right? So what I'm gonna do is, okay, we still have to do this. So we have, where is it? I knew there was more money on there. I wasn't losing my mind. Okay, so that's what this was. 1973 was for when I had to, when I was doing, what are those things called? I was doing trying to find a mortgage broker or whatever. And so, why am I being so dark now? Mortgage broker. And they charged you at Navy Federal to run their mortgage to get a lender. So that's 1973. And then Lane Bryant was 22. I bought some pants for this new job, and that's going to come out of apparel. So what I'm going to do, and then Amazon, I bought something else. It was actually bought something that cost 13 something, but I had credit and only spent $3.75. Okay. What we gonna do? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pay. I'll do this off camera, but I'm gonna end up taking $22.46. No, let's just do it together, y'all. $22.46 is coming out of apparel. Because I bought clothes, so it's going over to my main account. No, I'm not doing this now. It's just going to confuse the whole thing, y'all. It's just going to confuse the whole thing. That bill, everything will be switched over and that will get paid, but I'll do that on the back. And then when everything's cleared out, I'll do it with you guys when we're closing this checkout. It's just, I don't want to confuse anybody. So either way, going forward, we don't, technically 20 of these dollars is going to be for gas. That would actually, no, I didn't need to pay that right now. Do I? Do I? Yes, $20 is getting left on behind to pay the Visa, which is where the gas actually went. We'll be transferring $23 over from apparel to pay for the pants. And then we have to also leave 20 extra dollars in here to pay for that Navy Federal Fund. So what I'm saying, I'm leaving this big old buffer here because we got to do other things with this buffer, which would make sense, Tara, if you put it in random expenses. $20, and we're leaving $20 here and leaving a note, and that's to pay for the Navy Federal. Sometimes I gotta think this stuff out myself. Navy Federal credit app, that's 20. The other, I won't even put in for the pants because they're in a whole different account and I haven't moved it yet. And then I'm going to, what else do I need to do? Oh, $20 needs to stay for the gas. Boom. And those will be random expenses. I want that. I'm putting that so it comes out so I know what my actual real total is. So I'm going to say that that I'm going to go ahead and move $200 to the house fund, and then we'll have $33.17 in the buffer, leaving us with a zero-based budget. I'm going to make all of these pink so that I don't forget to add them. And then I'm going to go ahead and move our last transfer, which is our $200. I don't know why that says the wrong amount. Transfer from Major Keys to my humble home, $200. House savings, must have did that recently. Transfer, success. And we hit our goal. Usually I'm trying to put $200 every week for our 26-week challenge. So that's a successful transfer, and we're down to 207.17. So I'm gonna write 207.17 over here. And we're going to add this up. This should leave us with 207.17. I think. Let's hope. And we'll make this. No, we won't make this anything. Okay, let's go ahead and actually, I paid this. Yeah, so that came out. Okay. Y'all, today it's early. Where's the calculator? Let's move it over here. We have $4 plus $80 plus $50 plus $33.17 plus 20 plus 20. 207.17. I was a little worried. 207.17, you guys, it worked out perfectly. So what we have left to take out of the account versus what we have in the account matches up, which is what we need. And then we have $0 left. We've allocated all our money. There are a few things that need to go behind the scenes, but by the time we get to clearing our actual check, I'll be able to save all that with you. The only other thing I need to do right now is add that $200 to our house savings sheet and make sure our totals match. $200 on 223.21, and that is for our February check number 4. And we're now at $8,261.65. Let's make sure that's what it says. Where are we? I thought it was at the top. $8,261.65. $8,261.65. Perfection. We are doing so well, you guys. So well. And yeah, I think that's it. We don't do the 26-week challenge till we do the closeout, just in case we're able to add any more money. But we've already added $200, so we're definitely going to hit our $800 goal. We're going to be surpassing that, which is amazing. And You guys, it's going to be some changes, I guess, because I'm switching jobs. If you don't know or you didn't watch that video, I am going to be switching jobs, actually starting the new job tomorrow. I don't know what the get, no, cycle is. I don't know if I'm getting paid every week. I don't know if I'm getting paid every 2 weeks. So that'll be interesting. Not even sure. I know what it is, an hour, but I don't know if that's on salary basis or if it's an hourly basis. I still have a lot to learn. And also, so there's going to be a lot of changes with this, you guys. It's going to be like we're going to roll with the punches. Things are changing, but we're super grateful for the changes. And also, I'm trying to see if I can work part time for the next 2 weeks at the company I'm leaving, just so I don't leave them high and dry after hours. So if they're okay with that, I'm okay with that. And y'all know what that means, extra money in my pocket to put towards the home. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Faith over fear this year, forever, forever, ever. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.